This is my story from Kenya to China, from challenges to dreams. I'm Abigail, a civil engineering student, and this is my journey. Hi everyone, my name is Abigail, and welcome to my channel. I'm originally from Kenya, and right now I'm studying civil engineering here in China. But my journey to get here hasn't been easy. I started my diploma in civil engineering back in 2015, and I can't even count how many times I almost gave up. People told me it's not for women, that it's too hard, that I won't make it. But here I am, years later, still building, still learning, still proving that women belong anywhere we choose to be. On this channel, I'll be sharing my experiences as an international student in China, the good, the tough, and everything in between. We'll talk about engineering, life abroad, women challenges, and some real life motivation. So if you love real stories, culture, and inspiration, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this journey from Kenya to China, from challenges to dreams. Thank you.